All right, let's go. Cheers. Come on.
Cheers.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Let's try it out. Hey guys, it's Joseph, Carissa, and Rachel here with the CQ Real Estate Group, and we're here back with another one of our coffee review series episodes.
Yeah, if you haven't seen our episodes before, what we're doing is we're trying different coffee shops in the Albuquerque area, tasting them, seeing what they're all about, getting the feel, and sharing that with you. So if you haven't caught that before, this is number 6. Go back and watch the last 5 and then come back and join us here.
Today we're here at the Burrow Cafe. It is up on Tramway in Candelaria. We're super excited to check it out. Come on.
Oh, by the way, this is recommended by one of our followers on Facebook. So if you haven't been tuning in and watching, go follow us. Come check it out. So you're coming up here. This is really kind of cool. You have a nice outdoor atmosphere. You got a cool patio over here. Plenty of shade for people to enjoy the experience. Oh, hey, if you have a Tesla or electric car, look, you have a charging station. Pull it up, go. All right, we're heading in. We have the breakfast menu here and the crepes. They got coffee, espresso, they got hot teas. They even have a juice box. Oh man, I love this archway with the light fixture at the end of it. It's pretty cool. Cool setup. I'm gonna go ahead and go with just an iced coffee.
Iced coffee and iced coffee.
All right, let's go. Cheers. Come on.
Cheers.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Let's try it out. Okay, that's refreshing.
That's really good.
So I'm really always big into like the temperature of the coffee, and it's a good refreshing temp. I love it, and it's not for me at least. It's not too strong, and it's not too weak. It's right there in the middle.
I agree.
Evenly balanced. It's good vibe going on here.
It's really good.
I kind of digging the spot. Like, I don't know, I always love the spots closer to the mountains, but just in the area of town. All right, so we just got some great news. We wrote an offer for our clients yesterday. We were in a multiple offer situation. We just got response back that it looks like we won the offer, so we're excited. The clients in this situation actually just put their best foot forward. They wanted the house. I showed them how to write a really strong offer, and they ended up coming up on top. So congratulations to our buyers out there. That's awesome. That looks good. I got the pesto chicken crepe, which also looks amazing. Let's see this crepe. Yeah, that's probably legit. Oh yeah, it's been years since I've had a crepe, and I gotta say that it's one of the best crepes I had in years. It's really good. A lot of flavor. It's packed with awesomeness. I love it. So much.
Thank you so much for visiting.
Thank you.
I'm glad you liked the coffee too.
Thank you.
Thanks. You too.
All right, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this episode. We had a great time over here at Burrow. A nice, just chill lunch hour. Really good iced coffee. Great experience. Had great conversations. And now it's time for us to get back to work. So see you guys on the next one. Follow this journey along with us. I'm looking forward to it. Talk to you soon. Let's go.
Didn't I say like Tramway and Candelaria-ish?
You did.
Indian school-ish?
You did. And you sniffed before you said it. It's
I did.
right around Tramway and
The coffee sniffer.
Candelaria.